So we're in the Plantation at Princeville. These condos were built in 2004. So they're some of the newer condos in Princeville. What do you get with that? Most of them have central air conditioning. They all have a one-car garage. The condos on the bottom are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. The condos on the top floor are 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. The buildings each have 4 condos in them. It's a super cute complex. They have a fun pool with a little waterfall, a jacuzzi, and a barbecue area. One other thing that's really unique to the Plantation of Princeville is they have a gym. Now, it's not a big gym, but they're the only condo complex in Princeville with a private gym. So if that's important to you, this is a place to consider. Now, if you're on Kauai and you want to exercise, you might just want to run Hanalei Bay. If you want more information about where to work out on Kauai, subscribe to my other channel, Weightlifting with Annie. Aloha. So as I mentioned, there are 2- and 3-bedroom condos in the Plantation. This is an example of a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Now, all of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathrooms are on the ground floor. Because they each have a single car garage, the upper units, the 3 bedrooms, have an additional bedroom over the garage. But this is a beautiful condo, and it's a great example of what you can get in the Plantation at Princeville. One of the things that's really great about the Plantation is they have 4 glass sliders in the condo, which means it really has that indoor-outdoor capability, right? So from this living room, dining room area, there's 3, and then there's another one in the primary suite. But it enables the outdoor and the indoor to meet. So the principal or primary suites in the Plantation are very large. You can see from this there's a sliding glass door out to the large outdoor lanai, high ceilings, central air conditioning, and a huge bathroom. This is the 2nd bedroom, and you can see, once again, higher than normal ceilings, and the room is large enough that you have a queen, an end table, a desk, and a dresser, and there's still tons of space. So these are really nice sized rooms. So you can see there's this huge lanai. It's a wrap around the corner lanai. There's enough room for 2 chairs, a table, and this one backs to Kahaku, right? There's a row of these Plantation condos that backs to Kahaku. I don't know if you can hear the road noise, but there is some. But in trade-off for the road noise, you have beautiful mountain views, right? So which is more important to you? It's one of those things. So of course they each have a great kitchen, right? Plenty of countertop space, lots of cabinet space. I like this one a lot because it has that beachy feel. Life is short, buy the beach house, live the dream.